How to see footsteps in Fortnite. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see footsteps in Fortnite. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can see footsteps in Fortnite using the built-in accessibility feature. First, launch Fortnite. Fortnite is available on PC or Mac, mobile, PlayStation, Xbox consoles. You can use Fortnite's accessibility feature to see footsteps and other actions around you. Now, open the settings menu and select the three lines icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then select the cog icon in the bottom left corner of the panel. In the menu, select Settings now. You will then see the option for Audio tab. This looks like a speaker icon. You can find this at the top, between the controller icon and arrows key icon. Now, toggle on Visual Sound Effects. This will be underneath the sound header, below subtitles. Finally, select Apply. This will apply your changes you just made. You can now queue up for a game, solo or with friends. This feature can help you improve Fortnite, especially when you are in a region that is difficult to navigate. So this is how you can see footsteps in Fortnite. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Science for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.